Welcome to the House Hunny. This is the CONRAD by Veridian Homes. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's 1,974 square feet. This is a smart home, and there's a lot of really nice features inside. So, this is the House Hunny. So make sure you guys comment, subscribe to my channel. We're going to be doing a lot of home tours, and the first one that we're going to be doing today is the CONRAD. And this is a home by Veridian Homes. So I'm going to try to get all of my recording in before someone else decides they would like to come and tour. This home is not furnished, but it's okay. That's okay, because we are going to take in all of this beauty that we can, because it really is a beautiful home. This is just the base home, and I will make sure to get the stats. Like I said, this is my first ever video recording. I'm gonna try to do a lot more model homes, and I wish this would have been furnished. Oh my God, can you imagine? But it's not, and that's okay. Home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Or I'll have to get the stats. Don't fact check me yet. But this is a beautiful home. Oh my gosh, it is stunning. Wait till we get out. This is the first bathroom. It's a full bathroom. So that means you get a tub. Yeah. Okay, let's go. When you come in, you have this little office area to the left of you. And then you walk further up and you have this pretty little peep area, which I will make sure. Maybe I could turn the light on from here. That'd be cool. Oh, no, that turns the, yeah, we're gonna have to come back to that. But this is what you first see, is like a peep hole into, like, it looks like a butler's area. You have this little shelving unit right here. And then when you come to the right, I just showed you the first bedroom and the bathroom. It's some storage. Boom. Some storage as soon as you walk in. Let's close that up. Second bedroom. And I live in the Midwest, so you're gonna see some snow. There might be someone here, you guys. I don't know. Thought it was a 1-story, but hey, it's not creepy at all. Anyway, the best part, you walk into this room and it is so airy and beautiful and just so stunning. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am literally obsessed. But we certainly need some lights up in here. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, this house is just so gorgeous. Come this way. I promise you guys, I'm gonna get a lot better at filming. But just bear with me. Look at the hardwood floors. Oh my goodness. There's so much light coming into natural light. I've always loved that. Let's get another view of this kitchen. Take it in. Look how stunning this kitchen is. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. I feel like everything is so intentional. I mean, the colors. You've got that auburn cabinetry, and then this beautiful countertop right here. I'll have the stats either at the beginning or the end of the video, you guys. The backsplash, everything is just so intentional. And these chandeliers right here that come down over the island, so stunning. It is so beautiful, you guys. If you are looking from the kitchen into this room, look at all of that. This light with this fireplace, and the backsplash on the fireplace matches the backsplash in the kitchen. Intentional. That's what I'm saying, you guys. This is a beautiful home. So we're gonna come right through here. Back up a little bit. So this is the hallway from the living room. The master. Imagine if this was furnished, you guys. Oh my goodness. So before I even take you into all the rooms, I want to make sure you guys get the full view. These ceilings. And these bedrooms have carpet, which I'm personally a fan of. I think it's better than hardwood flooring. But this house looks absolutely stunning. So this is the master bath. Oh my God. This master bath is so cute. It's not super fancy, but I mean, it goes with the house. You know what I mean? It's just fancy enough. Everything is intentional. Everything is where it's supposed to be at. You get all of your needs met. This is the toilet room, as you can see. And yeah, that's where it will all go down the drain. All right, let's come up out of here. And oh my God, I haven't even went in this room, you guys. So let's see. Oh my goodness. See, the video's not doing this closet justice, but the size, it's definitely there. The size is definitely there. I mean, this is really all you need. This would be perfect for me, fit all my stuff. And then you can put the hubby stuff in the hallway shelving. Unless you want to be generous, and I guess you can make some room. Ooh, here we are coming out of the master, and we're gonna make this right. It is so nice. Everything. And look, this laundry room has just enough storage. I'm a simple kind of a girl, but little things like that are everything. They made it even more usable with all of these hooks right here. And I'm assuming that this is where you go into the garage. It is. Nice. So you come in through the garage, which is a 3-car garage. And then you turn, and then this is the laundry. Okay, so let's get some basement action, and then we're out to the next one. Again, this is the CONRAD. If you guys love this home, it's so beautiful, it's so simple, it's so spacious and airy. It feels really big. The stats are going to be at the beginning or the end of the video. And like I said, please subscribe to the channel and hit that post notification bell so you guys can know whenever I tour, you'll be the first to know. Okay, so it's not a finished basement, but that is okay because you have a canvas. You can literally do whatever you'd like And this one is spacious. I don't want to walk all the way around because I have on these little shoe coverings. But you guys get the idea. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my first video, The House Honey. My name is Autumn. I'm going to be doing so many more of these, so just really get ready. And yeah, not furnished, but still a beautiful home. Thank you, Veridian. And let me try not to fall. Maybe get you guys one more good look. The front. Yeah, this is a really beautiful home. All right, you guys, thank you so. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. What I didn't do is go into this little area that we were looking into. Oh, how cute. See, this is such a cute starter home. A perfect starter home. Literally love it. Literally love it. All right, you guys. See you guys in another episode, another video. Please subscribe. Thank you.